hot habanero, pepperoni, and sausage. Let's try these out. Just do them in a microwave. That's what they supposed to do. But I like them in the toaster oven too. Or the smoker, the grill, or whatever. And the reason why I got these in the first place, but I like Hot Ones, the TV show. I've been a big fan. Because somebody said they took these out. The 4-liners. But it's not true. 3 minutes and 30 seconds later. There we go. Let me taste this bitch. I ain't eating by myself. I like this one better than the other one I had. Yeah, this is nice.